keeps them stabilized.
This plane is just fighting the headwinds.
So it was just a windy day, wind going in that direction, Atlantic City. That's all you need.
But what about the plane filmed by Johnny Martin from his car? Is that wind as well? Physicist Ron Mallett breaks it down.
That's called parallax. Parallax isn't an optical illusion. It has to do with the distance an object is, the relative distance. So what's happening is that if you're in motion, those objects that are closer to you are going to be moving, or appear to be moving, okay, relative to you. Those objects that are farther away are going to appear to be not moving relative to your position.
An object between the viewer and the plane, like this tree, becomes a reference point that adds to the visual perception.
So the plane is sufficiently far from you because it appears as though it's hovering in the sky.
So it looks like Mother Nature and our own eyes are playing tricks on us. And there's some believing we're living in a simulated reality. But when it comes to these frozen planes, our verdict? Strong winds and the parallax effect. For centuries, people have reported seeing mysterious balls of electricity hovering in the air. So where do these anomalies come from? And what do they mean? May 2019, near Minsk, Belarus, a man named Andrei Turkhanovets posts a bizarre video. Watch. Let's rewind that back. What is that bright blue sphere? And how can it travel across the railroad tracks, throwing off sparks as it moves? The internet's reaction blew Andrei's mind.